Are you a parent of a young girl? Do you find it hard sometimes to get through to your kids? You want to teach them certain things, you want to imbibe certain values into them, but they are just not ready to listen? Well, I would say just relax. We are here to help you. No matter how pampered your child is, once she enters into a new household, she has to take on a set of fresh responsibilities. No matter how many cooks you have, no matter how much help you have, to run a home, to have cordial relationships, you need to have some basic knowledge, which unfortunately no one teaches us. So here I bring to you my 7-day finishing workshop called The Millennial Bride, where your daughter gets to learn everything from kitchen management to sari draping to image management to relationship management. So just go ahead and give your daughter the most useful wedding gift. Something that is going to help her every day in her new life. Something that she is going to cherish and be eternally grateful for to you.